all seen the video. KerG2 Discography ranked by Felix Price. And I'll admit, it's a good video. I enjoyed most aspects of it. Apart from two very minor details. The incorrect rankings of Jack Barnard's vo-coded Family Guy videos. And I have a few points to bring up about this. Let's just talk about the quality of the videos first and foremost. Number one, both videos are just blatant copyrighted content. He didn't make the Family Guy episode himself. This ain't Seth MacFarlane, this is Jack Barnard. Number two, the effort. I have watched probably the exact same YouTube tutorial that he likely used. It's a 3-minute video. 3 minutes. And then you know how to do whatever bullshit I Miss the Rage. That's another thing. Another copyright. That's 3. I could strike his channel. But to put a video of that quality, a 30-second video, into Goated, it's a shambles. I can't even speak. Makes me mad just thinking about it. And in a ranking of KerG2 Discography, you had a whole section for is this relevant? Both those videos not relevant to KerG2 whatsoever. It's just Jack's ego boosting process. Yeah, you got a few views, but is it worth it? Is it really worth it? If I was to rank those videos, I would be putting them in Light Nose Exhale at the highest. If not, is this relevant? Because it's not relevant. Not relevant at all. And Felix, I think you should know better than to agree with Jack in his egotistical rampage of trying to get himself slid into the top. And it makes me sad, you know. Isn't it? What are we doing here? Are we gonna chase the views from now on? Are we gonna focus on making quality content? It just makes me really question the whole integrity of KerG2, especially with two prominent members ranking content like that at such high remark. It makes me sick. And I think I will speak for everyone who's watched the whole hour and a half of the video. We fundamentally disagree, and I invite you to respond to this video with more reasoning. I don't care about the rewatchability. That's not the point. I'd never rewatch that video because it's not relevant. It is not relevant. And that's how I'm gonna leave it. So, clap back at me. I don't care. I'm here. You know where I live. Just do better. Do better.